Hi guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Bbnaija Lockdown. I can't deal with Erica anymore, Kiddwaya tells Tochi. Kiddwaya is threatening to jump ship to avoid future heartbreaks due to the bad impression Erica has of him. Recall that it was reported that Erica questioned Kiddwaya why he makes sexual advances towards her and why he wants to sleep with her. Apparently, he took offense from the question but didn't let her know. Tochi squeezed him on the current state of his relationship after he noticed he has been distanced from her. He replied that he can't deal with it anymore because Erica has been making several assumptions about him which are not true. He added that Watoni has also started giving him attitude since the last truth or dare when he kissed Erica instead of her. According to him, he is detaching himself from all the girls and concentrate on the game. Wow guys, there's trouble in paradise as there's issue in all the relationships in the house.